Now that we're all warmed up,
Yes.
we'll we'll get into the fun part. So,
Yes.
Ankita, this is the first time we are talking. This is the first time we're speaking. And before I try to read your mind, I'm going to need to know a little bit about you. I'll need to know a little bit about how you think, who you are, before I try to pluck a thought out of your mind. Okay, so first I'm going to ask you a few questions, and I'd like you to answer them as quickly as possible.
Okay.
Okay? I'm going to ask you about three or four questions. Could even be five. Don't count. Just answer them as quickly as possible. Favorite actor?
Off the top of
As
my head,
quickly.
Jude Law.
Good luck. Favorite movie?
Uh, Cold Mountain.
Favorite band?
Edward Sharp and the Magnetic Zeros.
Favorite animal?
Doggies! Always.
Perfect. Perfect. Hmm. What was the favorite band again?
Edward Sharp and the Magnetic Zeros.
I don't know them. Genre, please.
I don't really know genres too well, dude. But I could choose something else if you know.
No, 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 no.
Let's.
It's fine. It's fine.
No, okay, okay, yeah.
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
Yeah, sorry, I
Hmm.
don't know genres also.
That's fine. That's fine. I don't know bands also. Okay, so what I would like you to do right now, Ankita, is imagine that the world has
Sorry,
somehow
can you call me
gotten rid of
Anki? Only my mom calls me Ankita when she's mad at me. I'm so sorry. Can you call me
Anki.
Anki? Yes, yes, thank you.
I'll call you Anki. Okay. What I'd
Thank you.
like you to do is imagine we're in a world where Corona does not exist. Okay, we're living in a COVID-free world. We've either found a cure or we live in a parallel universe where this thing never existed. I want you to
Okay.
believe that this is the reality. This is the current reality. And you're free to travel anywhere. You're
Oh
free
my
to
God.
travel anywhere in the world.
Okay.
Okay. I want you to, what site do you usually use for bookings? Is it Book My Show, Booking.com? What's your preferred booking site? Do you
Um,
have one?
if it's international, then Skyscanner or Momondo, and if it's within India, then Make My Trip. Yeah.
I'd like you to imagine booking a flight to wherever you're planning to go. Okay? Imagine booking a flight to wherever you're planning to go. Pick your seats, pick your date, and yes, you've confirmed the ticket. You've got the tickets in your mail. Hail a cab, okay? Hail a cab from outside your house. Get into the cab. Drive all the way to the airport. Get out. Get your boarding pass. Look at it. Look at your boarding pass. See your name. See your destination. See your seat number. And get on the plane. And then you fly to this place, okay? Imagine you're on the flight to this place. You're flying. You're still flying. You're still flying. You haven't landed yet. It's quite a long flight. It's not a domestic flight. It's still flying. It's quite a long flight. It's not a domestic
Yeah.
flight,
Yeah.
right? And you're not in Asia either. You're not going to an Asian country either. Okay. You don't need to say yes or no. Yeah.
Okay, I'm
Say
not
yes
gonna
or
say
no
it.
only when
Poker face.
say
Poker
say
face.
yes or no only when I ask you to answer the question.
Okay.
Okay. Try not to give anything away.
Okay, take it.
Say you're taking, let's say you're taking a longer flight. Okay. Let's say you've got another flight. I'd say you could either be going west or you're going east. You're going east or you're going west. You're not going east. You're not going to like an Australia, New Zealand. No, you're going west. You're flying west. And if you're flying west, we're crossing Asia. You're not going to stop over Asia. You're not, okay. I sense a little hesitation towards at Europe because but I think that's because you've been to Europe sometime in the past, but you haven't been to this place that you're thinking of before, right? This is a new place. This is a place that you haven't been to yet. This is a place you want to go to. Okay, so
Yeah.
imagine you're flying over Europe. This is not in Europe. You're not stopping
Mhm.
in Europe. So then you cross Europe. We're reaching America now. We're reaching North or South America. We're reaching North and South America. We're going to latitude. I don't know latitude, longitude. Horizontally and vertically is what I'll go with. Now, horizontally, will land somewhere between North and South America, right? Now, I want you to imagine you landing there, landing somewhere in the middle, and then you take another flight. Now, this flight you're going to go vertically. I'm just going to imagine a globe and you're going vertically here. North America, South America. North America, South America, South America. You're thinking of going to a place in South America. You're going to a place that you have never been to before in South America. And I want you to imagine you standing in this place. I want you to imagine, close your eyes for a second, close your eyes for a second, and believe you're standing here. Like, pick one place where you are in, and imagine you're here, and imagine how it feels to be here, whether the weather is warm or whether it's cold. I'm guessing it'll be warm since it's Southern America, and you're probably somewhere near a beach. You're probably somewhere near a beach, and the weather is warm and humid. You're standing here. I want you to imagine seeing what you see around you. I want you to imagine the sounds around you, and you're seeing a lot of color. You're seeing a lot of color. You're seeing a lot of color. You're seeing colorful things. You're seeing either people wearing a lot of color. You're seeing some vehicular movement as well. You're seeing cars as well. You're seeing color. You're seeing cars. You're seeing beaches. You're seeing. Okay, now with your finger, can you point to the part in your head where you can sense all of this originating from? This is just a fun experiment that I like to do. This has nothing to do with the mind reading. This is just for me to understand. Can you point to the part where you think all of this is originating from on your skull? From there, okay? Right from the middle, okay? I'm gonna try writing this in the mirror format because of Instagram, but I think I know where you're going to go. Keep your eyes closed. I don't want you to see this. I want people to see this before you see this. This is what I think it is. This is where I think she's gonna go. This is where I think Anki is gonna go. Now, Anki, in your biggest possible voice, in your clearest voice, I want you to tell us all, without opening your eyes, what the place that you're thinking of is.
Cuba.
Cuba? Can you open your eyes, please?
Hey! Hey! At first I thought I'll say something like I'll think of something really complicated like Papua New Guinea or something, okay? And then I was like, no, like maybe I should have it like something so simple, like so simple that I don't know what. Maybe it wasn't too predictable. This was really quick.
Cuba's a small world. Small world.
It is. I really
It's a
thought that
little.
it would be like long and like it'll take I think, yeah. I think everybody here guessed that it has to be colors, it has to be, but yeah. That was cool though.
Thank you so much. It's not scripted, Rishabh. No magic to get this
It's
done.
not scripted, bro. It's really not scripted. It's really not scripted. I'm sorry to you guys, bro.